Hi everyone, today we're going to be testing out the audio recording capability of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And right now you're actually listening to it via the DJI Mic 2, which is right here with this little dead cat on top. And yeah, the audio should be really good right now, and we're going to test it against the internal audio recording of the Pocket 3 by very quickly disabling the mic. Now the DJI Mic 2 is now disconnected. This is what it sounds like with the DJI Mic 2 disconnected. And we're just going to turn it back on. And it should reconnect in just a second here. And it's reconnected. And we're recording with the DJI Mic 2 once again. And that's just how easy it is to pair these things. It just turns on and it's recording with the lav mic here rather than the internal mic. And it's just a really seamless, easy to use microphone solution for this little device.
Die Hoffnung schon